So hi, I'm Michele Smith, an executive coach. I do leadership development and I'm privileged to be faculty at Catalysis. I'm here to talk to you about a pre-summit in-person workshop that I'm going to be facilitating in June. Organizational transformation, how to develop change readiness. A successful organizational transformation to a culture of continuous improvement can be challenging, to say the least. A transformation typically requires people to do things differently, to change, if you will. And this is where the people side is pivotal. A key to a successful transformation to engage the people in your organization, the people on your team, to partner with you in your transformation journey. This workshop is designed to help you to practice the skills and concepts that are vital to navigating the people side of your transformation. Our time together will consist of mini teaches, discussions, and activities that will help you focus on how to identify where individuals are in their change journey, to develop the capability of the people in your organization to lead through change, create an effective communication framework, and equip your informal leaders to support change and reinforce communications through a change network. I hope you'll join me. Thank you.